So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Quant Network. Going to give you all the update price prediction in the market for this cryptocurrency. You guys can currently tell that there is a price prediction here on our charts for Quant Network. We've been expecting the market to move up higher, and it finally did that just a couple of days ago, maybe 5 days ago. The market in Quant Network actually started ascending higher in price. It was kind of stagnated right around this vicinity here, and then finally those buyers were able to eliminate those sellers, and price in Quant Network finally went up to our third sell pocket right here. Okay, so we're not surprised to see the market in Quant Network actually end the day down 3%. I guess the question now is, will it continue to go lower? So welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. This is what I do here on this particular platform. We actually draw predictions as to where we suspect prices are going to go. So let's go ahead and clean up this chart real quick. We will get rid of this sell pocket as well as this one, and we will also get rid of this trend line into the market in Quant. If there's going to be any trend line, it will probably be this one for the market in Quant. Okay, just for us to understand that if price is going to continue to shoot up, then it's going to have to hold that trend line. And let's get rid of this buy pocket here for Quant Network. You can see that outside of these 2 days only, okay, the 1st and the 2nd of July, the market in Quant Network actually held this very small buy pocket. Look at all these days that Quant Network actually held that buy pocket. So it's pretty good to see the market actually hold this area. So this could be a potential spot to where if we do see a continued weakness in selling, that the market may actually try to bounce and consolidate in this area right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at Quant on the 2 real quick. Currently, the 2-day bar that is currently being formed does not look great. It doesn't look strong. You can definitely tell that there's some selling in the market over the last 2 days, and we have 13 hours left, so anything can go. But currently, as it looks now, it doesn't look as if the market is in favor of the buyers. Here it is on the 3. Okay, so I don't like the last printed 3-day price bar as well. Okay, now we can't act like we're surprised though, because the last time the market in Quant Network came to that particular sell pocket was back in the beginning of June, and we can see the reaction at that time, and we're kind of seeing that same particular type of price action again. This is becoming weak. Buyers were able to lift price to 120 bucks, and now the market is being controlled by sellers, at least in the short term. Look at this on the 4. Again, 13 hours, 9 minutes, but this 4 looks pretty weak here as well too. Okay, what about on the 5? Look at this on the weekly. 5 more days, 14 hours. If we see price in Quant in those 5 days and 14 hours close on the low, then we'll have to say that the market is definitely weak. But we got time. We still got 5 days and a couple more hours before that actually prints. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Same thing here on the 2, 3, 5, and then a month. So let's look at this on the hourly chart. Just trying to figure out how weak the market is in Quant. Yeah, the moment that the price came to that pocket, look at the quick reaction that it received. Look at that. Price came and immediately it came down. Quick. So it tells you that the demand in Quant Network is not there at $120, but rather sell pressure is there. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of this prediction here. If you're able to tag at the sell pocket on the bottom, that's around 11.25% move to the downside. If not, getting out the market now in Quant would render only 1.41%. Okay, so now let's get back to this. Let's get this on the 330. So here it is on the 330. Yeah, I can't emphasize enough how important it is for the market in Quant to hold this area right here. So I'm going to create this new area right around here. Okay, we'll make this into a buy pocket, and then we'll create another one here. Okay, so let's run this on the daily time frame so you guys can see a little bit better. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to anticipate some lower prices in the market for Quant. I'm not stating that it's going to crash, but we can definitely see that weaknesses here into the market, that sellers are the ones currently moving the price, and it's going to be up to the buyers to say, hey, We're looking for this first buy pocket at $104, $105. 5% move to the downside there. Next target is going to be around 102, 103. 6.84% there. And if the market really gets weak, then we're going to bring it down to this third buy pocket around 97 bucks. 12.07% there. Okay, so we're just going to see how soon the buyers actually step in to the market for Quant. If they do, we're going to see the market come back up to the sell pocket and test it again to see if those buyers are going to eliminate the sellers within that price. Let's see what happens. Let's see how fast these buyers step back into the market to support this cryptocurrency's price. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. That's why we have got these areas here as areas that we will want to see that occur. So we're going to be on the lookout to see if these buyers are actually going to show up at one of those three buy pockets. And that's it. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.